The Petroware AFE module is a powerful tool for creating AFEs, cash calls, and actual versus budget reports. Our AFE interacts with both the General Ledger journal entry system and the AP invoice screen, so you can easily and efficiently bill and report expenses. Let's take a closer look at the AFE system.
Before processing AFEs in Petroware, you must set up your AFE system defaults found under the AFE System Utilities menu. On this screen is where you identify your AFE receivables account, your cash call format, whether you want expenses and receipts to be in detail or summary, whether you want to include your AFE invoices with the joint interest billing statements, and you have 4 lines of text available to print on cash calls. Before a budget can be set up for an AFE, the WELL and the DOI must be set up in the master files. This is the Enter Budget Amount screen, where you assign an AFE ID that can be up to 8 characters and/or letters. You have an unlimited amount of AFEs that you can set up per WELL. If you have an AFE that is similar for other WELLs, you can duplicate an AFE by giving it a new AFE code and changing all the blue information for the new property. And here's your duplicated AFE. AFEs can be billed out on budget or actual or greater of the two, meaning expenses. We're going to leave this one on budget and we're going to print a cash call. You go to AFE Reports, print cash call. You pick your AFE code. You just give it a starting invoice number, an invoice date, This is an example of an AFE cash call that's set to the budgeted amount. You have your list of planned expenses, the budget amount, the investor's share, and their share of the budget. So this amount due is their share of the budget. When you're ready to enter money received, you go to the money received screen, you click New for a new transaction, you'll fill in the information, you pick the owner code, you click Auto Apply and it gives you a list of AFEs they are participating in. I'm going to pick the number 2 well, and the payment is applied. Once you've entered all your money received reports, you want to post them to the General Ledger, so you go to Post AFE Entries to GL. You enter your date range, and you click on Post. Expenses are tagged to the AFE on the Accounts Payable screen by including the AFE code on this field. Also, they are applied on the General Journal screen. When you enter General Journal entries, you have a place to put the AFE code, and this tags this expense to the AFE. Once those transactions are entered and posted to the GL, they appear as costs on the AFE. Once you have costs assigned to the AFE, you can run a report that gives you the variance from the planned expense. So this shows you the AFE planned amount, the budgeted amount, the actual expenses, and the variance to that budget. We also have a variety of other reports that you can see on this list. You have an AFE receivables report by AFE, or you can run the receivables report by owner. You can run it for all AFEs, a single AFE, all owners, or a single owner. We have cost detail reports, money received reports, and we also have cash calls and cost detail reports with balance forward. So if you want to see just a current month's transactions, but also include the balance forward.
With unlimited AFEs per well and the option of using budget versus actual costs for billing and reporting, Petroware was one of the most powerful AFE applications on the market. Contact Avatar Systems today for a full product demonstration.